Hello everyone, thank you for joining. This is Mark from SM Cotech. Today's video is going to be about Power BI and the Append command. So I've had this problem happen recently. I've had two spreadsheets that were sent to me, both containing data for sales. The dates were, one spreadsheet was for April and the other spreadsheet I received was for March, and I wanted to create a report in Power BI utilizing both spreadsheets. And what I noticed is that when you import your data from both spreadsheets, you're left with unusable data from the sense that I can't make one graph or one object within my Power BI report for both sets of data at the same time. And what I mean by that is, I will show you. Once the data is imported, I'll create a quick table with date information. We're not going to do date hierarchy at this point. So we see date information. I'm just going to make this font a little bit bigger so everybody can see it a little bit better. So we have date information, and we want to put in sales dollar amount, and I want to put in the salesperson's first name. So that's all from my March spreadsheet. Now for my April spreadsheet, I want to put in the date. And you could see right away, it did not put it right underneath the other dates from March. It put it into a new column. So it just doesn't handle data that way, where you can have two different data sources making graphs and other things all within one report from two different data sources. It can't do it the way that I just tried showing you. So the answer to how to do this is to right-click your data source and choose Edit Query. And with the first spreadsheet selected, or sheet 1 selected, I'm going to press Append Queries. And then we're going to append, it's two tables or two different spreadsheets, and I'm going to append to sheet 1. I'm going to append the second copy, which is the April data. And once I hit OK, you'll see now we have the date field, or the date column, all has both March and April. The sales first names are there, all of the data is correct, and it's combined. One catch with this is that both data sources need to have the same columns and the same format. So once that's done, we're going to click Apply and Close. Now we'll see this information that's here be updated with April information as well. So now with the Append complete, you can do other sales forecasting or look at sales data. You can create a map if you wanted to, which is pretty cool. I like this. This is fun. Click on map, the state of sales, and let's say we want to do sales dollar amount. And we won't do sale as a legend. What we want to do is sale as size. So now we can see our biggest sales occurred here, and it's not count of, it is count of sale. So that's correct. So now we can see where our sales were and all different things that you can do in Power BI. But the idea behind this was to show you how to append. And again, that is by doing an edit query and append queries. This will have your data put in place so that you can have two data sources and one reporting mechanism that you can do for all of your visualizations within Power BI. So I hope you liked this video. Please, if you did, hit the like button or thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.